Why is continuous improvement not just an option but a necessity for thriving businesses today? In our rapidly evolving market, standing still is akin to falling behind. Continuous improvement, a systematic and ongoing effort to enhance business processes, products, or services, is crucial. It focuses on optimizing operations and eliminating inefficiencies, thus significantly boosting overall performance. By constantly striving to improve, businesses not only meet but exceed customer expectations, ensuring sustainability and growth in a competitive world. With this understanding, let's explore how a continuous improvement audit can serve as your roadmap to excellence. So, what exactly is a continuous improvement audit? Imagine a tool, finely tuned to scour through your business processes, with the sole purpose of pinpointing areas ripe for enhancement. This, in essence, is what a continuous improvement audit entails. It's not just about finding what's wrong, it's about discovering opportunities to make things right and even better. At its core, this audit is a systematic examination. It involves assessing your current practices, comparing them against the best industry standards, and identifying gaps where improvements can be made. Think of it as a health check for your business processes, diagnosing areas of inefficiency or underperformance that are often overlooked. The beauty of a continuous improvement audit lies in its approach. It doesn't just criticize, it enlightens. It provides a clear path forward based on data and best practices, ensuring that every change made is a step towards excellence. Now that we know what it is, you might wonder, how do we start one? Initiating an audit can seem daunting, but where exactly do we begin? The first step in a continuous improvement audit is to set crystal clear objectives. What are we trying to achieve? Is it enhancing efficiency, reducing waste, or improving quality? These goals should not only be specific but also perfectly aligned with the broader business objectives. Next, assemble your audit team. This team should be a diverse group of individuals who bring different perspectives and expertise to the table. It's crucial that the team understands the objectives and is committed to achieving them. Then, selecting the right processes to audit is essential. Not all processes need auditing at the same time. Choose those that are critical to your business outcomes or where improvements can significantly impact performance. With a focused team, clear objectives, and the right processes in sight, you're well prepared to dive deeper. With the groundwork laid, what should we be looking for during the audit? Every audit has critical checkpoints. What are these for a continuous improvement audit? Let's delve into the essential checkpoints that make a continuous improvement audit both thorough and effective. First, consider the process documentation review. This step is about examining all existing workflows and procedures. The goal here is not just to verify compliance with standards, but also to uncover any discrepancies or inefficiencies embedded in the current processes. It's like proofreading a novel to ensure the story flows logically and no chapter is out of place. Next, we turn our attention to performance metrics analysis. This is where numbers start to speak louder than words. By analyzing key performance indicators, auditors can pinpoint areas where the performance may be lagging or conversely, where it excels. This analysis helps in identifying trends over time, understanding the impact of previously implemented changes, and setting a baseline for future improvements. It's akin to a health checkup where the vital signs indicate the overall health status. Moving on, employee feedback sessions are indispensable. Think of them as the heart of the audit. By engaging directly with those who operate within the processes day in and day out, auditors gain insightful, ground-level perspectives that are often overlooked. Employees can provide real-world feedback on what's working and what's not, offering a treasure trove of actionable insights. This step ensures that the audit is not just a top-down approach, but a collaborative process that values every voice in the organization. Each of these checkpoints serves a unique purpose, and collectively they provide a comprehensive view of an organization's operational health. They highlight not only the strengths and weaknesses, but also illuminate the path toward significant improvements. Understanding what to look for is crucial, but how do we measure success? How do we measure the success of our continuous improvement audit? Success in any endeavor is best measured by clear, quantifiable outcomes. In the realm of continuous improvement audits, success isn't just about ticking off boxes, It's about achieving tangible improvements that propel the organization forward. Before the audit even begins, it's crucial to establish specific metrics that will serve as the benchmarks for success. These metrics need to be as precise and measurable as possible. For instance, a significant metric might be the reduction in process time. If previously a task took 3 hours and post-audit it's down to 2, that's a clear indicator of improvement. Another vital metric could be the decrease in waste generated during manufacturing. Reducing waste not only cuts costs but also enhances environmental sustainability, a win-win for the company and the planet. Improvement in product quality is equally crucial. This could be measured through customer satisfaction scores or the reduction of defects reported in the final products. With our metrics set and data gathered, what's the next step? After identifying the areas for improvement, how do we implement changes effectively? Implementing changes in any process, especially after a detailed audit, requires a thoughtful approach. The first step is to prioritize the actions identified during the audit. It's like deciding which leak to fix first in a flooding boat. Tackle the most critical issues that yield the most significant impact. Once priorities are set, it's essential to allocate resources wisely. This doesn't just mean financial resources, but also involves assigning the right people with the right skills to the right tasks. Consider a skilled sailor who knows exactly how to patch the boat quickest and most efficiently. That's the kind of resource alignment we're aiming for. Change management strategies cannot be overlooked. Introducing changes, whether they are small tweaks or major overhauls, can meet resistance. To manage this, clear communication is critical. Everyone involved needs to understand not just what is changing, but why. It's like informing everyone on the boat why you're patching it up in a particular way. They may not only help, but also stand by the decision if they understand it. Continuous monitoring is the next indispensable step. It involves keeping a vigilant eye on the implemented changes to ensure they are delivering the desired outcomes. Think of it as checking whether the patch on the boat holds up against the water. Lastly, setting up a follow-up audit is crucial. It ensures that the changes were effective and identifies new areas for improvement, keeping the cycle of improvement ongoing. Implementing changes is a big step, but the journey of improvement continues. Why is the concept of continuous so critical in continuous improvement? Imagine a world that never changes, static, stagnant. Now picture a process that evolves, adapts, and improves over time. This is the heart of continuous improvement, a never-ending journey towards perfection. In this cycle, each iteration is a step forward. The process begins with identifying areas that need enhancement, implementing changes, and then critically re-auditing. This re-audit isn't just a repeat, it's a new chapter. It assesses the effectiveness of changes made and shines a light on new opportunities for advancement. The beauty of this cycle lies in its iterative nature. It's not about making one monumental leap to perfection, but rather about making consistent, incremental improvements. Each loop of the cycle builds on the previous, propelled by the lessons learned and the successes achieved. This commitment to ongoing enhancement ensures that a business remains dynamic, responsive to change, and ahead of the curve. Continuous improvement isn't a one-time task, but a perpetual cycle that keeps businesses evolving and competitive. To wrap up, how do each of these checkpoints ensure our business stays on the path to excellence? The journey through the continuous improvement audit begins with understanding what it entails, a systematic approach to enhance operations and processes. Starting from the core, we identify where to begin the audit, setting the stage for a thorough examination of our systems. Each checkpoint, from defining objectives and gathering data to analyzing results and implementing changes, serves as a critical step. They ensure we're not just ticking boxes, but are genuinely evaluating the effectiveness of our processes. This methodical scrutiny helps pinpoint areas needing refinement and celebrates areas of success, guiding us toward operational excellence. Revisiting these checkpoints through re-audits and embracing the continuous cycle of improvement ensures our strategies remain dynamic and responsive to change. This ongoing commitment fortifies our foundation against complacency and drives innovation. Remember, a continuous improvement audit is your compass in the ever-changing landscape of business. Navigate wisely and keep pushing boundaries.